Hello and welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question first. Question was compact reconnaissance imaging spectrometers for Mars or CRISP is related to which of the following? NASA, ISRO, Roscosmos or JAXA? The correct answer is option A, NASA. Recently, the first part of the multispectral maps of Mars was released by NASA. It is made by CRISP spectrometer. CRISP is an infrared spectrometer. CRISP stands for Compact Reconnaissance Imaging Spectrometer for Mars. Its primary goal is to search for water-related mineral remains on the surface of Mars. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter or MRO has been mapping minerals on Mars with the help of CRISP for the last 16 years. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, World Health Organization aims to eradicate hepatitis by which of the following years? 2025, 2027, 2030 or 2035. The correct answer is option C, 2030. World Hepatitis Day was observed on 28th July 2022. This year's theme of World Hepatitis Day was Bringing Hepatitis Care Closer to You. Hepatitis is an inflammation of the liver that is caused by a variety of infectious viruses and non-infectious agents, leading to a range of health problems, some of which can be fatal. There are 5 main strains of the hepatitis virus referred to as types A, B, C, D and E. World Health Organization aims to eradicate hepatitis by 2030. Hence, option C is correct. Next question is, consider the following statements with reference to Eklavya Model Residential Schools or EMRS. 1. These schools not only focus on academic education but also on all-round development of the students. 2. It was started in 1997 to 98. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Recently, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, that is MOTA, has launched several projects to increase the digital connectivity of students from tribal communities studying in Eklavya Model Residential Schools or EMRS across India. These projects include establishing smart class infrastructure with internet connectivity, etc. The Ministry of Communications, that is MOC, is the nodal ministry for facilitating telecommunication and digital connectivity across India, including tribal areas. Eklavya Model Residential Schools were started in 1997 to 98. Hence, statement 2 is correct. These schools aim to provide quality education to the children of scheduled tribes in remote areas. These schools not only focus on academic education but also on all-round development of the students. Hence, statement 1 is also correct. These schools aim to enable their students to get employment in various sectors by availing opportunities in higher and vocational educational courses. An Eklavya Model Residential School will be established in the following situations. Each block having more than 50% ST population by 2022 and an area where at least 20,000 tribal people reside. Next question is, recently India's first international bullion exchange has been launched in which of the following states? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala or Goa? The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Recently, PM Narendra Modi launched the India International Bullion Exchange, that is IIBX, in GIFT City, that is Gujarat International Finance Tech City, Gujarat. It is India's first bullion exchange, hence option B is correct. Through this exchange, eligible jewelers will be allowed to directly import gold, a change from current rules where only some banks and nominated agencies approved by the central bank can do so. It will also have the facility to store gold and silver. The announcement to establish IIBX at IFSCA was made in the budget 2020-21. Significantly, the GIFT City is India's first international financial services center, that is IFSC, located between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Next question is, Apatani tribe mainly belongs to which of the following states? Meghalaya, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh or Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. World Nature Conservation Day was celebrated on 28 July 2022. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated every year to create awareness among Indians about the importance of natural resources. The indigenous people of the world are considered the best custodians of natural resources, especially forest and wildlife. Major communities in India that conserve natural resources in their own unique ways are as follows. People of Bishnoi community and one Gurjar community in Uttarakhand, and Idu-Mishmi people of Dibang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh, and Apatani tribe in Lower Subansiri district. Hence, option C is correct. The Apatani tribe is known for its fish and paddy culture as well as their cane and bamboo crafts. They speak a local language called Apatani Tani and worship the sun and the moon. Next question is, who will host the ICC Women's ODI World Cup in 2025? Bangladesh, India, England or Sri Lanka? The correct answer is option B, India. Recently, the International Cricket Council, that is ICC, announced the host countries of the Women's Cricket Tournament to be held from 2024 to 2027. India will host the ICC Women's ODI World Cup in 2025. Hence, option B is correct. Earlier, the Women's World Cup was held in India in 2013. Bangladesh will be the host country of the Women's T20 World Cup competition in 2024. Women's T20 World Cup 2026 edition will be held in England, and Sri Lanka will host the Women's T20 Champions Trophy in 2027. Next question is, recently the term tetrapods has been in the headlines. It means a satellite launched by China, a four-legged structure, a new species of frog, or a volcano in Japan. The correct answer is option B, a four-legged structure. Recently, the term tetrapods has been in the headlines. Tetrapod in Greek means four-legged. Hence, option B is correct. Four-legged concrete structures, that is tetrapods, are placed along the beach to prevent erosion and water damage. These are large structures, sometimes weighing up to 10 tons. These are usually held together to form an interlocking barrier to reduce the intensity of sea waves and currents. Significantly, tetrapods were first used in France in the late 1940s to protect the coast. Next question is, the World Heritage Site Hagia Sophia has been in the news. It is located in which of the following countries? Italy, Israel, Turkey or Iraq? The correct answer is option C, Turkey. Hagia Sophia is located in Istanbul, Turkey, hence option C is correct. It has been an important site for both Muslims and Christians. In the early 1500 years of its existence, it has been a cathedral, a mosque and a museum. Recently, this site has been in the news as it was reopened as a mosque. It was originally built as a cathedral in 537 AD by the Roman Emperor Justinian I. It is the largest example of Byzantine architecture in the world. Hagia Sophia was converted into a museum in 1934. It was given the status of a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1985. Next question is, Kaleshwaram irrigation project is related to which of the following states? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana or Andhra Pradesh? The correct answer is option C, Telangana. Recently, the Supreme Court has ordered to maintain the status quo on the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project, that is KLIP. KLIP is a project of Telangana, hence option C is correct. It has been designed in collaboration with Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited, that is MEIL. Through this project, the water of the Godavari River is flown towards higher places. It is one of the largest irrigation projects in the world. Next question is, Widow Remarriage Act was passed in which of the following years? 1853, 1854, 1855 or 1856? The correct answer is option D, 1856. 29 July is the death anniversary of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He was one of the major social reformers of the 19th century. The Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856 during the tenure of Lord Canning. Hence, option D is correct. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar played a key role in getting this act passed. Under this act, widows were granted legal recognition for remarriage. The widow remarriage movement in Maharashtra was led by Vishnu Parshuram Pandit. He founded the Widow Remarriage Society in 1850. Last question is, where is the headquarters of FIFA located? Zurich, Geneva, Paris or London? The correct answer is option A, Zurich. Recently, the Union Cabinet approved the signing of the guarantee for hosting the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup 2022 in India. The FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup 2022 will be held in India from 11th to 30th October 2022. FIFA is the governing body of football and it promotes football around the world. Now, information about FIFA. Full form of FIFA is Fédération Internationale de Football Association. It was established on 21st May 1904 and its headquarters are in Zurich, Switzerland. Hence, option A is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. Recently, the word Burkholderia pseudomallei has been in the news? It is a bacteria, a virus, a fungus, or a protozoan? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.